Hey peeps, this is the Pixel Extended Android 13 released update for Redmi Note 10 Pro, and I have been using this device with a review time for almost 2 days, and I'm literally surprised with the performance that it has been offering. So if you want to know what's the performance and what's the review and how to get installed this ROM, so be with me until the last of the video. And one thing I'll let you excuse, but if you got like this video, please like the button and subscribe to the channel for more info on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So let's get digging into video. Supposed to be the installation time, and I have got all the details how to install this ROM. So first of all, you have to power down your device, and whenever it completely gets switched off, you have to just press volume up and power button simultaneously until your device reboots. Now you can see the logo of your Redmi device. Don't leave the power up button and connect your OTG device. Like I have saved all the things in my pen drive, so I get connected from this. Whichever recovery you uses, I generally use this to be Orange Fox recovery. Here you have to come in the USB storage and you have to just do the simple things, not very much hard. So you have to just select Pixel Extended 5.0 Suite zip file here, and nothing to do, and add to queue, and you have to select the FW suite in MIUI. You have to flash both simultaneously above here, and it will get started flashing. So this is the method that you have to follow for the installation. After the installation completed, you have to do some simple. So as you can see, the installation has been completed. You have to just come here and format data YES, and you are good to go to use this ROM, and you have to just reboot your system. This method works many times in your device. I have choose this method. You can choose the ADB sideload method, and you can also do use this in Pixel Experience Recovery. So this is for my installation part. Now you can watch the review part and get good to go to install this ROM. Thanks for watching. So this is the review section of the video, and this time I'll got you some benchmarks that you will like. So far all the benchmarks have been run with the performance mode itself in the optimization profiles, so you can do check out. In this time I got 15-minute timing of the throttling test, and I got 1,99,000 max GIPS and minimum is 1,60,000 with 86 performance of the scores, which is CPU using throttled. And after that, clock speed is showing here up to 2.30 GHz. And after that, this is the storage speed test that I have been run on my Redmi Note 10, and it is pretty good scores that I am getting on this device. This is my charging stats. I will like to share that this is not best for charging ROM because charging took lot of time. It shows rapidly charging, but it isn't. It is charging like 18 watts, so charging is not too good to use. And battery backup is awesome. You can do the battery backup with you want. And this is the basics test, and I did root checker basics, and root access is not properly installed. This is too good to see that first Android 13 ROM that I have been trying on my Redmi Note 10 Pro, which is not rooted ROM. And secondly, I will like to share the Antutu scores that I got in this device. I have run that and I got 3,46,666 scores, out of which we are getting 98,014 GPU scores. If you carefully see here, there is only 1 degree Celsius up in temperature and 2% battery drop. So it is nice to see that battery is good to go. And apart from that, charging I already showed you. The Geekbench scores that I have run with the performance mode, which I got a single core of 532 and 1555. So it is pretty good. I have first time tried this ROM, and I love the performance that it is handling over all the time. If you want to know about the safety net test, you can see the safety net test is passed, so there is no issues with the safety net. Also, safety net test works pretty good. No issues have been faced very far. For the device certifications that I have checked, it is good. No issues that I have ever checked, and it supports the banking apps. Yesterday night I just supposed to check that, and the banking apps were working. So yeah, you can see the device is certified, so no issues with that also. And the optimization and profile of this ROM is too good. Like if you open any app, you can see the opening and closing animation. 120Hz display is so smooth, and you can see this every app is closing and opening speed is too fast. There is no jitter lag. And apart from that, if I go with the settings through overview, you can see the network and internet settings are working fine. I have connected to my net Wi-Fi, which is I'm approximately getting a 30 Mbps, which is my connection of speed, so it is working fine. Apps, you are getting a pixel launcher, so you can not get customizations in it. You do get customizations in pixel extension. All the features were working, like lock screen options, nav pill bar. Much of the customizations, I think over the time it will come to your device, so be ready for that. And because it's first Android 13 build, so might be there's some bugs, little jitters, but not too much bugs that you can see over the time. You can see the Android 13 logo is working, no issues, and the kernel version is not written, it is only showing 4.14295 above here. And the maintenance is shout out to Shout for maintaining this amazing ROM. And the opening and closing feature, the UI feels too smooth, and you get all the new things like app inactivity of this ROM and settings option from here. You can get power, advanced reset, all the options above from the here. So this is my initial thoughts on the ROM. I can clearly suggest you can install this ROM, have a look on this ROM, and you can good to go. And the installation method, I will give the timestamps above on the video. You can skip that part for your installation and skip back for the review. So from this side, this time, bye bye, and keep subscribing, keep liking.